as a first speaker of this great conference, I plan to be a sort of a starter and hopefully entertaining talk. I wouldn't talk particular individual technique or technology. Instead, I'm going to use my fairly long, actually, I actually calculated, it's been 50 years since my graduate study time working on computer vision and its applications in robotics. So this is the kind of thing that I did after I came to Carnegie Mellon in 1980. And I tend to work on various things as my interest moves on, ranging from autonomous vehicles, medical robotics, and so forth, and computer vision as well. And by the way, and this shows the kind of a samples pictures of the area. By the way, many people ask, what does those graph mean? The horizontal axis is obviously time, years, 1980, 90, 2000, and so forth. The vertical axis is my degree of interest. And you see, it changes. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, and never come back, and so forth. So I'm going to use some of these past work as well as the current work to talk about the fun of research, and hopefully it'll be an encouraging talk.